Hi YouTube. I just wanted to show you that I got these assorted Post-its, and it's assorted Post-its, and they're 45. And look at all the colors I wanted to show you. I use them for little projects I make, and I needed these assortments, and I just realized they come with lined Post-its too. So here, let's open them up and show you. And I got these at Target. I don't know the price, but it comes with all those. It's really nice. Can you come here more on the table? Yeah. Post-its have a self-adhesive, so you write, this is what you do, you have a Post-it, and you write on it whatever you want, and then you stick it to wherever you want it, and it has a self-adhesive, so it sticks. And there you have it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.